How's it going, YouTube? Limitless HP here again with another video. I got some good news for you guys. So the good news is finally got my GoPro. It's in, so you will be seeing some GoPro footage of the truck and of the Banshee. So stay tuned for that if you're interested. Go ahead and subscribe and turn your notifications on. That way you get the latest video once I get around to making the video, and then I drop it. You guys be the first ones to know. So got the GoPro, really excited about that. It's pretty cool actually. I still have to get the SD card for it. That should be coming in tomorrow, and then I should be able to record sometime, I'm hoping next week, and then I'll upload it by next week as well. So yeah, another piece of good news. I got kind of carried away and I ordered a new amplifier for my truck. It's a Punch P500X2 amplifier. It's rated at 725 watts. Has a certificate right here that comes with the amplifier. I guess these come with every Rockford amplifier that you purchase. I could be wrong, but I already installed it in the truck. I got kind of carried away. I did an unboxing video of this product, but somehow I managed to lose the video, or it got deleted somehow. So yeah, so I'm not going to be able to upload that one anymore to YouTube. But they sound really good, so I'll make a video of the amplifier and the subwoofers again, and I'll show you guys how it looks in my truck. I will be doing the headliner soon, so stay tuned for that. That is going to come pretty soon as well. Another thing, I got the Banshee running. It's out of the shop finally. I'm really happy. What ended up happening was it had a bit of an air leak, so it wasn't running right, and I was looking around for a honest shop. If you guys know me personally, I'm really picky about who I trust with my my truck, or any of my things for that matter. For my truck specifically, I have a specific mechanic that I only like him to do work on my truck. If it's not that mechanic, it's not my mechanic, I'm not gonna let anyone touch my truck. That's just how I am. So he's kind of a friend that I know, and he's been doing. He's one of my dad's friends actually, and he's been doing that since he was like about 15, and he's really good at what he does. So I trust him with my truck. But I was looking around for a truck that could, a shop that could fix my Banshee, the air leak and all that stuff. I was just didn't want to really deal with it. I know I could have done it myself, but I just didn't have the time really to do any of that. So I ended up taking it to a shop. I found a really cool shop out in San Jose, California. It's AE Customs. Their business card is right here. They're a full service shop, and they're really good people, really honest. Honest is key when it comes to me. When I'm looking for a shop, I'm really looking for honesty, because it's kind of hard to find an honest shop, and these guys are honest. These guys have fair prices, and these guys are really fast at getting your bike out of the shop. AE Customs, right here you can see their information. If you want to give them a call, you can call them at 408-250-0900. You can also contact them at aecustoms@yahoo.com, and their services is right here. There's a full service motorcycle shop. So they do oil changes, tune-ups, brakes, suspension, tires, scheduled maintenance, custom lighting, track and race prep. They also do insurance estimates and repairs. So they're all they're a one-stop shop. So anything you need to get done to your Harley, your R1, R6, whatever street bike, ATV, dirt bike, whatever that's on 2 wheels or 4 wheels, they got you, man. So go ahead and heat them up. I think they even do UTVs and UTVs as well. So yeah, give them a call if you're in the San Jose area. I really recommend these guys. And other than that, that's pretty much what I wanted to tell you guys. So just stay tuned for the GoPro footage, because I'm going to be having some GoPro footage of that. And the first few pieces of the GoPro footage might not be the best pieces of footage, but that's just because I have to get used to the GoPro and all the editing and how all the editing stuff works. I like editing, so once I get I know how to edit a little bit. So once I get the hang of it and I really get the editing stuff down, I promise you guys I'm gonna have some really cool edits for you guys, and pretty much just make everything more entertaining for you guys. Editing is something that I like doing personally. I just never really find the time to get around to do it. But editing is something that I enjoy, and I'm sure that you guys will enjoy the finished product of the editing. So yeah, so just stay tuned. If you want to keep up with all the latest videos of the Banshee and all the latest videos of the truck, please be sure to subscribe, like this video, give it a thumbs up. I mean, leave a comment, tell me what you think about, you know, all the stuff that I've been doing so far. But other than that, I hope you guys have an excellent day, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you.